everyone, welcome to BiteSize Science. My name is Jepna, and in today's video, The Vacuum of Space, we'll explore some science of pressure using marshmallows and a vacuum chamber. A vacuum is a space with nothing in it, not even air. All around us right now are molecules of air from the Earth's atmosphere pushing down on us and everything around us. We call this atmospheric pressure. While it's impossible to remove all the air or particles from a space to create a perfect vacuum, partial vacuums are common. Spaces with almost no air or particles inside and a lower pressure than regular atmospheric pressure. This is the Discovery Center's vacuum chamber. This glass dome is connected to a vacuum pump, which will remove air from inside the chamber, creating a partial vacuum. The stronger the pump, the lower the pressure created inside the chamber. So, what can happen inside a vacuum? Let's grab some test subjects. I'll place two squishy volunteers in our chamber. Make sure the dome is nicely sealed and turn on the pump. Will the marshmallows shrink, explode, burst into flames? Let's see. Okay, so no flames or explosions, but did you notice the marshmallows growing then shrinking? Marshmallows have air bubbles trapped inside them. When air in the chamber was removed, pressure around the marshmallows dropped, but the pressure of the air bubbles inside the marshmallows stayed the same. Pressure from the air bubbles pushed out, the air bubbles expanded, and we saw the marshmallows puff up. The marshmallows shrank back down once air returned to the chamber and regular atmospheric pressure pushed down on them. Now, notice that these marshmallows are smaller. They even look a little shriveled. They haven't kept their shape and they feel a little denser. What if we replaced our marshmallows with some shaving foam? What do you think is going to happen? Whoa, just like our marshmallows, the shaving foam expanded when the air was removed and then whoosh, shrank back down once the air returned. Pretty cool. If you're wondering what might happen to a human in a vacuum, well, remember that we don't have the same stretchiness as a marshmallow, so we wouldn't expand in this way or explode. That said, you should keep a spacesuit on hand if you are planning an outer space adventure. Outer space is almost a perfect vacuum. When designing spacesuits and spacecraft, engineers must think about how these systems will work in the vacuum of space, as well as with extreme temperatures and radiation. Engineers test their designs in a simulated space environment. They try to create as close to those same extreme conditions of space as they can here on Earth in huge, powerful vacuum chambers. This is a wide-angle picture of the Space Power Facility, the world's largest vacuum chamber at NASA's Space Environments Complex. You can see some people there for scale. It's a little bit bigger than our vacuum chamber. Well, folks, that's all I have for you today. Thank you for tuning in. This has been Jepna from the Discovery Center, wishing you all clear skies and reminding you to stay curious.